Ayan, kung nasa GCash na tayo, dito sa baba yung profile, pindutin lang to. Then, pindutin itong settings. Then, pindutin itong account recovery. So, nakalagay sa akin ay may set now kasi hindi pa siya nakaset. Ayan, security question set now. Pindutin lang to. Then, set up security questions to help you recover your account. Then, pindutin lang tong next. Then, set up your security questions. Then, choose question number 1. So, pipili ka ng question dito. So, in what city? What is your lucky number? What is your favorite place to visit at childhood? So, pipiliin ko dito ay itong in what city was your first job? Then, confirm. Then, dalagyan natin yung answer. Then, pagkatapos malagay yung answer, dito naman tayo sa choose question 2. Then, pipiliin ko dito ay what was your favorite place to visit as a child? Then, confirm. Then, tatype ulit yung answer. Then, choose question number 3. Ayan, then, pili tayo ulit dito. Then, pipiliin ko dito ay who was your childhood hero? Then, confirm. Then, choose question number 4. Then, pipili ulit tayo dito. Who was your favorite grade school teacher? Then, confirm. Then, choose question number 5. Pindutin lang to. Then, pipili natin ulit ng question dito. So, sa bawat question, kayo na yung bahala. So, sa akin, guide lang naman to. So, pipiliin ko dito sa number 5 ay, in what city did your parents meet? Then, confirm. Ayan, pagkatapos, security questions cannot be received once submitted. So, kailangan i-save nyo yung answer nyo sa bawat security question. Kasi, kalagay dito ay cannot be received once submitted. So, save nyo, di kaya screenshot nyo para sakaling kailangan nyo ay dali nyong mahanap. So, pindutin lang itong confirm. Then, security question set up. Set up security question to help you recover your account. Then, tap anywhere to continue.